welcome back to Pray, Plan, Repeat. I am Chanel. Long time no see. I know it's been like 3 weeks, almost a month. I can't really apologize because I almost apologize every single time I'm gone for a minute. But y'all clicked on this channel because y'all want to see me open my Oh-So Paper subscription box. You guys, I'm so ready to open this. I actually just got this at the mailbox less than an hour ago. It is currently 10:15 at night. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So if you don't know what Oh-So Paper is, it is a planner subscription box or a sticker. I don't know, they got some really cute stuff, y'all. I will go ahead and leave an iCard up above up here, so you guys can go ahead and check out my previous videos of my unboxings. But yeah, this time around I did not pre-open the box. So as you can see, I can't open it. So I got my blade. We're gonna go ahead and open this. Normally I will unbox this and you guys just see me showing you the product on the inside, but instead we're gonna do it, I'm doing it this way with you guys. So on the other side it just has like my address label and all the other information on that side. So I'm gonna open up the box here. You guys, I'm so excited. Oh, okay. Okay. So this is what we got here. I love the sticker. I always take the stickers off and I usually put them in the month on my calendar. So this will go for June. It says sprinkle kindness around with, like, ooh, I said that wrong, y'all. I'm so sorry. Sprinkle kindness around like confetti. That is a pretty sticker. And inside the box, it looks just like this, you guys. We got some peanuts in there. So I'm kind of curious. Posh Candle Co. So there's this little box in here that says Posh Candle on here. That's it. That's all it says on the box. So I'm going to open it. That's a cute sticker though, you guys. That is a really cute sticker. Alright. Ooh, you guys, look at that paper. That tissue paper is so cute. I don't smell anything. Okay. I'm taking it out the box. Okay, it's wrapped in tissue paper and there's bubble wrap. Posh Candle Co. That's the name of the company. On the sweet side. Oh, buttercream cake. It's a 6-ounce premium soy candle. Buttercream cake. Oh my goodness, y'all. This smells divine. Oh, it smells cool. So good. So we have another item here from Posh Candle Co. It looks like this. Y'all. So as I was flipping this over, I felt this side, and then on this side here it says "Stay Lit." That's cute. I believe these are candles. I mean matches. Yes, they gave me a full box of matches. More than enough. More than enough matches for this candle. Look at that, you guys. I like the fact that they're black on top. Alright, now we're on to the actual stickers and goodies for this month, you guys. So, got a washi tape. Oh my goodness, this is a washi tape. Sweet Tooth washi tape. So I'm going to bring this in closer for you guys, or throw in a picture of what this washi tape looks like. Let me see. So here's the washi tape. This is what it looks like. So pretty, you guys. That is so pretty with all those ice creams. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at the girls. So stinking cute. So the next thing I'm grabbing here, oh, this is the magnet for this month. You have the girls here. You guys can see that. So they have their ice cream and candy and donuts and their pretty gorgeous outfits, all ready for whatever festival they're about to do. We also have our sticker for the month, the June sticker. Let's see. Ooh, okay. So maybe I won't zoom in, okay? But here is the card for this month. Can you guys see that? That's what the girls look like, okay? It's stinking cute. Oh my goodness, this outfit right here, I would totally wear that outfit. It's so cute. But isn't that adorable? Gorgeous card. Oh, this is actually a postcard. Like, I can send it off if I wanted to. That is cute. I love this. I love that. Okay. So we did get a sticker book, but we also got this. What are you? I don't know what this is supposed to be. Oh my goodness, so you have this clear, I guess you can use it as like a dashboard layover or something, like a clear, like put holes in it for like my happy planner. So you have the girls here with the balloons and the donuts and the ice cream and candy. Super cute. Then you got some sprinkles. Yeah, I can probably use this like as a dashboard or something. And then this one here is like more holographic type thing with suckers. It's actually kind of cool and cute. That's really nice. That's cute. And then we got the stickers. Okay, we got the stickers, you guys. So I'm going to show you guys what the stickers look like. They put it on the back of here that tells you what you got. So here is the sticker book. Isn't that super cute? You got the girls. Sweet days ahead. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see that? Look at her outfit. So cute in this dress. I would actually wear this dress. That is so cute. That is cute. Oh, hot mama. Look at this, y'all. Ooh, look at the donut. Ooh, look at honey here. Ooh, those are so cute. That is cute. That is cute. Ooh, OMG. OMG, hot sugar. Y'all think I might be using this sticker book? I haven't even touched my sticker book from last month, y'all. So sad. I haven't had time. Ooh, look at that. That is so gorgeous, you guys. I know this isn't up close. I just want to do like a different type of unboxing for you guys. Those are cute too. So pretty. I know I have other stickers that I can use in collaboration with these stickers in here. Look at those washi tapes. This is so pretty. And then you got your normal stickers here, your payday stickers, your bill due. Donut worry, be happy. That's so cute. Sprinkle kindness around like confetti. Never settle for just one scoop. Oh, that one's cute because it has the ice cream right there. That one's cute. And this is 4th of July, National Post Worker Day, which is July 1st. World Emoji Day is July 17th. National Lollipop Day is July 20th. Okay. Then we got some more little cute stickers here. We got some balloons. We got the ice cream cart, lemonade stand. What are these? Strawberry, blue raspberry. I guess they're like little drinks or something. They got some lemonade, candy. Ooh, look at that. That's cute. These girls are just so cute, y'all. So cute. Then, of course, we have this page here. Look at the girls. They're all grouped together. They're like, it's party time. So super cute. And then for the last page here, we have this, you guys. Love it. Love it. Love it. I think my favorite thing besides this sticker book here and the postcard is the matches and this candle. Like, yeah, I'm going to do a plan with me for next week, but y'all going to get it this week. And I'm going to have these next to me. It's going to be super, super cute. Anyways, I hope I can get that plan with me done. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you're new, hey, I'm Chanel. Sorry, I haven't been here for a minute, y'all. It's not easy doing 2 channels at the same time, okay? But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to come and speak to you guys again soon. Bye.